What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I bought this Acer. It's a Chromebook, and I actually got it because it has a big screen on it. And this one is, technically it's refurbished, but it's like a grade B refurbishment. So, man, this flap here is really glued down. Got it busted open here finally. And so grade B kind of means cosmetic problems, no necessarily hardware problems. But I thought we'd take a look at it because, you know, it was inexpensive to get it this way. And get rid of this box here. And hopefully it'll be a pretty good device. So you can see it comes with a fairly big power cord here. The length of the cord is really on this side. And as you can see, we have an angle plug right there. I actually like this power brick. It's pretty small, so it's not too terribly big. And then we have the Chromebook itself, and like I said, grade B. I thought we'd take a close look at it and just see what we think of the condition. I will tell you, on the top here we have like this kind of simulated metal plastic case, and I don't see anything really obvious. I mean, I do see a little scratch here. I see a little ding, a little scratch right there, a little nick. But I don't see much else. These are my sweaty fingerprints on the bottom here. We do have a weave pattern texture on the bottom, which is kind of nice to help hide any imperfections. Plastic rubber feet, I will say, 3 on the front here, 3 little silicone feet it looks like, and 2 on the back, venting for the hardware. And I don't see anything obvious that's any problem. So I will tell you what, for being marked as a grade B, I'm pretty happy with it. We do have an SD card slot, a USB port there, and a key lock port there. Got a vent right on the back. And then on this side we have the power plug, looks like HDMI, USB, and a headphone microphone jack. So pretty nice looking Acer. And the biggest thing about this is how big the screen was. So basically it kind of advertises itself as a 15-inch screen. You can see it's powering up there as soon as you turn it on. And what I really liked about it is that the Chromebooks tend to be very quick, very responsive, because they're such a light operating system, and they have really good battery life. And most of the time what I'm doing is working on the web, responding to emails, watching videos, uploading videos, that whole 9 yards. And so I really wanted a big screen, and as you can see here, with a 15-inch screen, I think you get just a ton of usable real estate. Now, if you watch my video about the exercise bike with the desk on it, this is really where I wanted that to be. Because especially when you have a computer out in front of you a little bit here, a nice big screen is going to be really useful. You can see here that we've got a nice shiny kind of metal-like paint job on the plastic down here. We have speakers that ride on the sides and flank the keyboard. Chiclet style keyboard, I will say these look pretty nice. Man, they feel great. Travel's a little shallow, but they have nice travel and don't wiggle. They don't click hard, and so they're pretty quiet, which is also pretty nice. We also have a really large trackpad here, and as you might be able to see, I mean, how big that is. And in terms of, it's nice, it's definitely nice and responsive and smooth. And then the clicks, if I click there, a deep click, so not a virtual click at all, pretty deep click, and really nice and responsive. I mean, a very tactile feel there. And then it's just a little bit lower than the keyboard palm rest right there. I would say overall I'm really impressed with this. As you can see, you'll get kind of nice battery life like you will out of most Chromebooks, and again, it's just more of the size. So more than anything, this Chromebook doesn't have a lot of specs. It does have a webcam up there, but I want to say it's like a 2 gig RAM, so only 16 gigs onboard storage. But for having a web machine and needing a big screen, this one is the cat's meow. So excited about using it a little more, but like I said, I'm pretty impressed with it. Got a pretty nice deal on it because of the advertised condition, and I think they under-promised and over-delivered on it. So pretty nice. If you want to pick one up for yourself, I will put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.